The secret to a new life. Do you have a big dream? Maybe you want to speak English well. Maybe you want a healthy body. Or maybe you want to build something amazing. Many people have dreams. But their lives do not change. Why does this happen? People think you need a special talent. Or a lot of money. Or good luck. But the real secret is much simpler. It is one word. This one word can change everything. Today, we will talk about this powerful word. Consistency. The two paths. Imagine two people. Both want to be healthy. The first person goes to the gym on Monday. They exercise for 3 hours. They are very, very tired. Then, they do not go to the gym for a month. Do you think they will become healthy? Of course not. Now, look at the second person. She does not go to the gym. She just walks for 20 minutes every day. When it rains, she walks inside her house. When she is tired, she walks slowly. But she walks every single day. After 1 year, who is healthier? It is the second person. She did not do a big thing one time. She did a small thing every time. That is consistency. The motivation lie. Many of us wait for a special feeling. We wait for motivation. Motivation feels good. It feels like sunshine. You feel like you can do anything. But motivation is not your friend. It comes and it goes. Today you feel motivated. Tomorrow you feel tired. Then your motivation is gone. If you only work when you feel good, you will not get far. Winners do not wait for motivation. They have discipline. Think about a great writer. Does she only write when she feels inspired? No. She writes every morning. Even when the words are hard. Even when she has no new ideas. She shows up. Your dream needs you to show up. Every day. Not just on the sunny days. How to build real confidence. Consistency does something magical for your mind. It builds real self-confidence. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you become stronger. You say, I will read 1 page of a book today. And you do it. Your mind says, I can trust myself. I do what I say. But what happens when you break your promise? You say, I will wake up early tomorrow. But you don't. You lose a little respect for yourself. You start to believe you are not strong. You can fix this. Start with a very small promise. A promise you cannot break. For example, I will learn 1 new English word today. Just 1. Can you do that? Yes. Do it every day. After a month, you will have 30 new words. But more importantly, you will feel proud. You will trust yourself more. This confidence will help you do bigger things. The silent growth. Sometimes, you work hard but see nothing. It feels like your effort is wasted. This is the most difficult time. This is when most people quit. Let me tell you a story about a bamboo tree. When you plant a bamboo seed, you see nothing for a long time. For 5 years, you water it. You give it sunshine. But nothing comes out of the ground. It seems like nothing is happening. Then, in the 6th year, something incredible happens. The bamboo tree starts to grow. It grows 80 feet tall in only 6 weeks. So fast. Let me ask you a question. Did the tree grow in 6 weeks? Or did it grow for 5 years? It grew for 5 years. For 5 years, it was building strong roots under the ground. The roots had to be deep and strong, so they could support the tall tree. Your daily effort is like that. You are building your roots. You might not see the growth today, but you are preparing for your big moment. Do not confuse no visible result with no growth. Keep watering your dream. Choose your pain. In life, we must all choose one of 2 pains. The pain of discipline, or the pain of regret. The pain of discipline is the hard work you do today. It's studying when your friends are having fun. It's saving money when you want to buy something new. It's exercising when you want to lie on the sofa. This pain is hard, but it is temporary. The pain of regret is different. It is the pain you feel in the future. It's looking back at your life and saying, "What if I had tried harder? What if I had not given up?" This pain lasts for a very long time. You have a choice. Which pain will you choose? Choose the small pain of discipline today, so you can avoid the big pain of regret tomorrow. Your future is calling. Your life story is being written right now. It is written by your daily actions, not by your wishes, not by your dreams. No one is coming to save you. No magic moment will change everything at once. You are the hero of your own story. You do not need to be the most talented person. You do not need to be the smartest person. You just need to be the most consistent person. So, what is the one small thing you can do today? And can you do it again tomorrow? And the day after that? Your future self is watching you. They are hoping you will start now. Make them proud. Be consistent. Change your life.